Assalamu alaikum, my dear kids. I hope you all are fine. So before starting my lesson, I would like to give a brief recap of the previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed the topic agriculture and we have started the topic forest. In agriculture, I told you that for the best crops and for the best agriculture, we always need a fertile soil. We usually find the fertile soil in the areas of the Punjab and some areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. Then I told you that Balochistan is not very favorable place for the agriculture and growing crops. The reason is the land of the Balochistan is usually the rocky surface and we cannot grow the best crops and do agriculture on the rocky surface. We can also find some of the crops and agriculture on the slopes of the mountain. That's what we call the terrace farming. In Pakistan, we can find a lot of the agricultural crops, just like the rice, wheat, maize, millet, that are known as the cash crops. Cash crops are usually those crops that we sell to get the money. Some areas of Pakistan, including the Balochistan, have the beautiful orchards from which we can get a variety of the fruits. Just like the mango is the best example of the best fruit of Pakistan. We export a large and the best quality of the mangoes from Pakistan to all across the globe. Then we discuss the livestock farming. That livestock is a very important part of our country. Most of the farmers grows the cows, oxen, buffaloes, and to get the to get the milk, eggs, meat, etc. Then we have the forest. Pakistan is a country with a less amount of the forest. There are many reasons for that. One is that we are cutting down a lot of the trees and the forest to make that area industrialized and to make the different housing society. Second, a lot of the grazing animals who feeds on the herbs, just like the horse, cows, buffaloes, etc. They eat the forest, so it will also minimize the tree. Now today we will discuss the different kinds of the forest, and then number one type we are going to discuss here are the alpine trees. These forests grow in the snowy conditions similar to those in Alps, a mountain range in Europe. Basically, Alp is a mountain range in Europe which is always covered with the snow throughout the year. So these kind of the forests usually grow in that part. Due to the very cold climate above the height of 4,000 meters, trees do not grow properly, because when your height is too much and the weather conditions are very cold, so they will not be favorable for growing more trees. Some dwarf trees of silver fir, juniper and birch grow here. You can see these all are the alpine forest. Alpine forests are found on the mountains of the Gilgit-Baltistan and in a limited area of Chitral, Deir, Swat and Gilgit. So basically these are always found in the mountainous areas. Coniferous forest. These forests are found in the lower part of the mountains of the north. You can see this is the picture of the coniferous forest and you can find them in the mountains of the north. For example, above Murree and Nathia Gully, I have been to Murree and Nathia Gully and I have found such kind of the forest, such kind of the trees there. In these forests, there are fir, spruce, deodar and kale trees. There are also a number of broadleaf trees which such as oak, maple, willow, birch, chestnut, poplar, walnut and juniper. These wood from these trees is very valuable. So the wood we get from the coniferous trees are usually very valuable. These are usually used in making the furniture, etc. Balochistan has one of the largest and oldest juniper forest in the world near Ziara. So we can find the one of the largest and oldest forest in Ziarat. Some trees are believed to be 5,000 years ago. These forests are a protected heritage site. Obviously, these are very old, so this is a heritage for us. Dry forest. These forests are found in Potohar Plateau region around Jhelum. If you have been students ever to Kalar Kahar and Jhelum side, so all the areas are the plateaus. Plateaus are usually the smaller mountains. These are not as tall as the northern mountains. Rawalpindi, Attock, Mansehra, Abbottabad, Kohat and Peshawar and in the Sulayman range of Balochistan. These forests have evergreen trees such as Phulla and Cow. Some chestnut, juniper, walnut and oak trees are also found here. Next kind of the forest are the thorn or ruck. You can see this is the picture of thorn and ruck forest. In the western part of the Balochistan and over most of the Punjab and Sindh, there are very few forests. As I told you that Pakistan is a country that has very less amount of the forest. So the Balochistan we can witness some forest. The climate is too dry and the soil is not very fertile in Balochistan for much vegetation. These areas contain thorny hardwood trees such as acacia, कीकर जिसको हम कहते हैं, and tamarisk. The vegetation here survives despite the low rainfall and poor soil in that area. Though the amount of the rainfall is very low, but the vegetation जो है यहाँ पे होती है. नेक्स्ट आ गया मैंग्रोव. These are the mangrove forest and as you can see these are located near the river. मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन द साउथ ऑफ पाकिस्तान अलोंग द कोस्ट. ये पानी के इर्द गिर्द होते हैं. ये हमें हमारी साहिल समंदर की जो पट्टी है, कोस्टल लाइन है, वहाँ पर भी मिलते हैं. एंड इन द डेल्टा एरिया ऑफ द रिवर इंदस. Mangroves do not grow very tall because of the salty water as they are located near the sea or near the water. So sometimes the water of the sea is usually salted. For that reason these plants do not grow very tall. But they do provide a home and sources of food for different kind of marine life. Obviously when there is a sea, so there will be a marine life existed in that, so it will be a food for them. Mangroves also protect the coastal area from erosion. erosion होती है कि आपकी जो मिट्टी होती है वो बहती जाती है पानी में जब फ्लड आता है कुछ, तो ये जो पौधे होते हैं इससे प्रिवेंशन से हमें रोकते हैं. नेचुरल डिजास्टर सच एज टाइडल वेव्स ड्यू टू स्टॉर्म्स एंड सुनामीज. Mangroves, because of their usefulness, are a protective plant species. There is another page left, but we will be completed it in the next lesson. If you have any query regarding this lesson, feel free to ask. Thank you everyone.